Are you ready to create this beautiful 3D moon lamp? Join me in an exciting workshop where I will guide you through every step to bring this stunning piece to life. I will show you how to create perfect texture paste, ensuring your moon has a truly unique and realistic surface. Then we will dive into shaping the moon-like appearance, and the end result will be this beautiful moon lamp which add magical touch to any space. We will provide all the materials. DM us now to register and let's make your own piece of moon together.